Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. It's time for Number Corner. All right, if you are not already on your feet, ready to sing the months of the year song, get up on your feet and get ready. Let's go. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. Cha, cha, cha. All right, days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 All right, Kipsters. My turn first, then your turn. Today is Monday, April 13th, 2020. You say it. Today is Monday, April 13th, 2020. Whoa, Kipsters. We are in another week of learning at home. So let's count to see how many days we have already been learning at home and then add today. Okay? Okay, get ready. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So, Kipsters, on Thursday, we learned that we had been learning at home for 19 days. And remember, we don't have Number Corner on Fridays, but we have to count Fridays too. So we need to add 2 more days of growing our brains at home. So let's count with me. 19, 20, 21. Whoa. Do you guys see what I see here? I have 10 here. And I have a 10 stick here, I have 10 wands here, and 1. What can I do with my 10 wands? Shout it out. Make a 10 stick? I can make a 10 stick with my 10 wands? Okay, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Whoa, so I can take my 10 wands and make another 10 stick. So who knows how we can count this without counting our 10, without counting our 10 sticks as wands. Count with me, get ready. 10, 20, switch, 21. How many days have we been growing our braids at home? 21 days. Whoa, that's a lot of work at home. Oh my gosh, I am so proud of you guys. All right, but Kipsters, we're not done yet. I want to know if you know how to count. Say, uh-huh. Oh yeah, I can count by 5s to 100. All right, Kipsters, if you are ready to count by 5s to 100, get ready. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Whoa. All right, let's see if we can count by 10s. And remember, Kipsters, when we count by 10s, we clap our hands with every number that we say. Got it? All right, get ready. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Whoa. All right, Kipsters. You want to count some more? Say, uh-huh. Okay, let's count by 10s, but then I'm going to stop at a magic number, and we're going to switch count by ones. Got it? Got it. All right, get ready. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Whoa, that was so much counting. Whew, Miss Bloom is tired from all that counting. Are you tired too? All right. So today, Kipsters, at Number Corner, we are going to review shapes. Who remember from last week what it means to have a solid shape and what it means to have a flat shape? Okay, if you forgot, we're going to review all of our shapes and then I have a challenge for you. You ready? Okay. Remember, Kipsters, solid shapes are flat shapes. 2D shapes are flat shapes. They're what? Flat shapes. And then 3D shapes are solid shapes. 3D shapes are solid shapes. So who remember what this shape is? Shout it out. This shape is a rectangle. It's a rectangle. Is this a solid or a flat shape? Say flat shape. Okay, let me see. Who remembers what this shape is? Is this shape a flat shape or a solid shape? Say solid shape. And Kipsters, this shape is a solid shape because it is not flat. It is not, well, but we're not done yet. Let's see. This is a circle. Say circle. Circle. This is a square. This is a square. And this is a triangle. This is a triangle. All right, Kipsters, get ready to shout out this shape when you see this shape, okay? And then I want you to tell me if it's a solid shape or a flat shape on a count of 3. 1, 2, 3. This is a cube. This is a cube. And this cube, is this a flat shape or a solid shape? Solid shape. It's a solid shape. Well, you guys are growing your brain so much at home. All right, I have one more before I talk about what we're going to do today in Number Corner. All right, get ready. I'm going to show it in 3, 2, and 1. Who knows what this shape is? This shape is a sphere. This shape is a sphere. And this shape, is it a solid shape or a flat shape? Is it a solid shape or a flat shape? It is a solid shape. It is a... Okay, so Kipsters, today in Number Corner, we're going to be talking about flat shapes and solid shapes. Not only are we going to be talking about solid and flat shapes, we're also going to be talking about how many sides and corners a shape have. Who knows in their brain already how many sides and how many corners does this square have? Raise your hand. Okay, if you know, tell me. How many sides do this shape have? Let's count it together. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. Now let's count how many corners this shape have. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many corners? So a square has 4 sides and 4 corners. Okay, let me get one more shape. This is a, and let's count together How many sides and corners does this triangle have? Get ready. 1, 2, 3. How many sides? 3 sides. Okay, now let's count how many corners this shape has. Get ready. 1, 2, 3. How many corners? 3. Whoa, Kipsters. Okay, wait. I'm about to trick you guys. I have one more shape. Let's look at this shape. This shape is a circle. And Kipsters, how many sides does this shape have? Does this shape have any sides? Does this shape have any corners? Think in your brain. Does this shape have any sides? Does this shape have any corners? Sides are straight. Corners are pointy. Does this circle have any sides or corners? No. Okay, so Kipsters, I want you, today we're going to do something called Show What You Know. It's time for Show What You Know. Okay, so Kipsters, before we start working on what we know, I want you, and I'm going to give you 10 seconds, and when I say go, you can go. I want you to go get something to write with and a piece of paper. You have 10 seconds. Go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Are you back? Okay, are you ready to show what you know? Say yes. Okay, Kipsters, we have 4 problems, and I want you to write down the answers to these 4 problems on your piece of paper, okay? So the first one says, how many shapes have 4 sides and 4 corners? So look at these shapes. How many shapes have 4 sides and 4 corners? Okay, I'm going to give you 5 seconds to think about how many shapes have 4 sides and 4 corners, and then I'm going to show you what I know. Okay, go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whoa. Okay, Kipsters. I'm going to look at all my shapes. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to count all of my shapes, the sides, and then I'm going to count all of the corners to see if they have 4 sides and 4 corners. If they have 4 sides and 4 corners, I'm going to circle it. If they don't have 4 sides or 4 corners, I'm going to put an X on it. Okay? And I want you to shout at me if I'm right or wrong. Okay, get ready. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Does this shape have 4 sides and 4 corners? So I'm going to put my X on it. Okay, get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4. Does this shape have 4 corners? Okay, let me sides. Okay, let me count the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. Does this shape have 4 sides and 4 corners? Yes. Okay, I'm going to circle it. Okay, let me count this one. The sides. 1, 2, 3. Does this shape have 4 sides and 4 corners? 1, 2, 3. No. Okay, let me count this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Does it have 4 sides? Let's count the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do it have 4 corners? Okay, Kipsters, let's count this one. Does this shape have sides and corners? No. So how many shapes have 4 sides and 4 corners? 2, 3, 4, or 5? Let me see. 1, 2. So I'm going to circle my answer 2. The answer is 2. Okay. How many corners does a circle have? Think in your brain. How many corners does a circle have? I'm going to give you 5 seconds to shout out the answer. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Shout out your answer. Okay, I just want to know the corners. Do this circle have any corners? So the answer is 0. The answer is 0. All right. Now, Kipsters, we already know this. You guys are not going to get tricked. It says, how many flat shapes do you see? Look at this box here. How many flat shapes do you see? I'm going to give you 5 seconds to count how many flat shapes do you see. Remember, flat means flat. And then remember, solid are big shapes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Shout out your answer. Well, let's see if what you know matches what Miss Bloom knows. Okay, I know that flat shapes are flat. So, let me see. Is this a flat shape? Yes. Is this a flat shape? Yes. Is this a flat shape? Look at this. Is this flat? No. Let's look at this rectangular prism. Is this a flat shape? No. Is this cylinder a flat shape? No. And what about this rectangle? Is this rectangle a flat shape? Yes. So I'm going to circle 1, 2, 3. There are 3 flat shapes. How many flat shapes? 3 flat shapes. Okay, now, Kipsters, we need to know how many solid shapes there are. How many solid shapes do you see? I'm going to give you 5 seconds to count how many solid shapes you see. Get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Shout it out. Well, let's see. Is this sphere a solid shape? Yes, let's see. Is this rectangle a solid shape? No. Is this rectangle a solid shape? No. Is this square a solid shape? No. Is this triangle a solid shape? No. What about this cone? Is this cone a solid shape? Yes. And what about this cylinder? Is this cylinder a solid shape? Yes. So how many solid shapes do we see? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to circle my answer 3. Whoa, Kipsters, that was a lot of work, and we learned so much about shapes today. So what I want you to do is I want you to share your work with me or your teachers so that I can see what you know about shapes. See you later.